In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase in Photopea. Erasing in Photopea is very simple once you understand how layers work, and that is the most important concept to keep in mind before you start removing anything from your design. First, make sure you are working inside your Photopea project and check which layer you are drawing on. If you draw directly on the main background layer and then try to erase something, you will not only remove your drawing, but also affect the background itself. In many cases, this will create transparent areas instead of clean edits, which may not be what you want. That is why it is always recommended to draw on a separate layer. To create a new layer, go to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen and click on the New Layer icon at the bottom. Once the new layer is created, make sure it is selected. Now, from the left-hand toolbar, choose the Brush tool. If you do not immediately see it, right-click on the tool icon in that section to reveal the hidden options and select the brush tool from there. You can now draw anything on your new layer. When you want to erase something, right-click on the same brush tool icon and select the eraser tool from the menu, or simply press the shortcut key E on your keyboard. After selecting the eraser tool, go to the top left area of your screen and adjust the brush size using the size settings. You can visually confirm the size by looking at the circular cursor on your canvas. Once you are satisfied with the size, click and drag over the area you want to remove, and it will be erased cleanly from that specific layer. However, if you had drawn on the background layer instead, using the eraser tool would remove both the drawing and the background pixels, leaving transparency in that area. This is why understanding layers is essential before erasing. By organizing your artwork on separate layers, you can erase confidently without damaging other elements in your project, and this is how you can erase in Photopea.